मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, आज डिस्कस करेंगे स्ट्रक्चर एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मेल गैमेटोफाइट. Development of male gametophyte is also called microgametogenesis. Microgametogenesis occurs two types: pre-pollination and post-pollination. So this is pre-pollination development. These are the different diagrams of microgametogenesis. This is the pollen grain. Pollen grain has two layers: exine, intine, and this is germ pore. This is the cytoplasm of pollen grain, and this is the nucleus. This is second diagram. So pollen grain has two cells: larger vegetative cell. Vegetative cell is also called tube cell, and smaller generative cell. And this is third diagram. So this is germ pore. So this is the vegetative cell, and this is the nucleus of vegetative cell, and this is generative cell, and this is callus wall. This is next diagram. So these are the different types of vacuoles present in cytoplasm of pollen grain. This is the generative cell, and this is the nucleus of vegetative cell, and this is the vegetative cell. And this is the last diagram. So pollen grain develops pollen tube. These are the callus plugs, and these are the two non-motile male gametes. This is dense cytoplasm, and this is the cytoplasmic sheaths. So germination of this is the diagrammatic representation of germination of pollen grain and formation of male gametophyte in angiosperms. अब डिस्कस करेगा उसका थ्योरी पार्ट. Pollen grain or microspore is the first cell of male gametophyte and represents immature male gametophyte. So pollen grain is also called immature male gametophyte. The development of male gametophyte is precocious. It is very important to produce two non-motile male gametes. The first formed microspore or young pollen grain has a centrally placed nucleus and dense cytoplasm. And centrally placed nucleus and dense cytoplasm covered by plasma membrane, because pollen grain is a plant cell or living cell. Living cell contain nucleus, cytoplasm and plasma membrane. So pollen grain grows in size with inflow of nutrients. Vacuoles develops and brings out rapid growth of pollen grain. The vacuole pushes the pollen grain nucleus to one side near the wall. The protoplast of pollen grain then divides mitotically to form two unequal cells. Smaller cell is called generative cell, and larger one is called vegetative cell. And a layer of callus develops around the generative cell, which separates the generative cell from the pollen grain wall. Later on, callus wall dissolves and the naked generative cells comes to lie freely in the cytoplasm of tube cell. Tube cell is also called vegetative cell. Then vegetative cell has vacuolated cytoplasm, and the vacuolated cytoplasm of vegetative cell rich in the food reserves and cell organelles. The generative cell is spindle shaped, and it is spherical in outline with thin and dense cytoplasm, which is surrounded by prominent nucleus. The generative cell then divides to form two non-motile male gametes. In 60% flowering plants at the time of pollination, pollen grain at two cell stage. One is vegetative cell, another one is generative cell. Whereas in 40% flowering plants, the pollen grain is at three cell stage, one vegetative cell and two male gametes. So this is the pre-pollination development. And second one is post-pollinated development. On the stigma, when pollen grains liberated from anther, they spontaneously reach the stigma. So on the stigma, the compatible pollen grains absorb water and minerals from the stigmatic secretions through its germ pores. Then the vegetative cell enlarges, it comes out to germ pore to form pollen tube. The pollen tube is covered over the pollen tube was discovered by MSc in Portulaca species. Pollen tube absorbs nourishment from the cells of style for its growth. A pollen grain with pollen tube carrying male gametes represents matured male gametophyte. So normal pollen grain is called immature male gametophyte. If pollen grain produce pollen tube contains two male gametes, then it is said to be matured male gametophyte. So matured male gametophyte is three-celled and three-nucleated. It is due to two mitotic divisions. So this is the development of male gametophyte.